Slicing refers to a part of a string. It is used to generate substring from a given string. Format of slicing is string name, then start, stop, step size. Colon is the separator. Default value of start is 0, that is beginning. Stop is end, length. Step is 1. Stop value is not included, only up to n-1 will be included. Our string is CSIP Python. To create slices, first we have to write the indexes, both in forward and backward. So the forward indexes range from 0 to len-1. Backward index range from -len to -1. Here our string length is 11. Length is 11. Our forward index will range from 0 to 10. Backward index from -11 to -1. First slice is S of 091. S is CSIP Python. We are going to create a substring of that. Start at 0. Step is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop value is 9. 9 is not included up to 9 minus 1. That is index 8. All these values are indexes of our string. So our string will be CSIP space PYTH, as 9 is not included. Second slice is S colon colon. So start and end are the default values. 0, 11. Step is also default value 1. So here we start with 0. Step 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. End is 11, so up to 10. End string is our slice. Next one is colon colon 2. Start 0, end is 11 and step is 2. Start at 0, step 2 means 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, then 8, then 10. So string is CI space Y H N. Next one, -4 minus 1, step will be 1. Start at -4, step is 1 means next value -4 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is the end. It is not taken. So string will be THO. -1 not included. Next one, colon colon -1. So 0, 11 minus 1. Step is minus value means we are taking the string in reverse order. 0 to 10. But taking the string in reverse order, we will get the reverse of our original string. ഇങ്ങനെ സ്ലൈസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒറിജിനൽ എസ്സിന് ചേഞ്ച് ഒന്നും വരില്ല. ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി CSIP പൈത്തൺ. സ്ട്രിങ് റിവേഴ്സിൻ്റെ സ്ലൈസാണ് : -1. വാല്യൂസ് സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാം, സ്റ്റാർട്ടും എൻഡും ഒക്കെ. കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ട്രൈ ടു ഡു ദിസ് വൺ. ആൻസർ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.